Rhythm of the heart, it never fades. Play through joy, play through shame. Rhythm of the heart, so pure, so true. Beating steady in me and you. Lover's touch, a mother's song. Elders teach where we belong. No need for words when rhythm plays. Say what tongue can't ever say. Close your eyes and let it guide. From lonely streets to jars inside. It don't need stage, it don't need fame. It just need truth in your real name. Rhythm.